In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an appendix to a Word document. Tacking an appendix onto the end of your paper manually completely destroys your document architecture, breaks your page numbering sequence, and leaves your table of contents completely broken. To do it right, you need to isolate the appendix on its own structural layer so Word can track it automatically. Today, we are deploying the exact formatting paths to locate it cleanly. So let us carve out an independent structural zone for your appendix. Scroll to the absolute end of your document, and in my case, it's this, and then place your cursor right after the final period of your conclusion. Move straight up to the top navigation ribbon and click the layout right here. I look for the page setup group, which is this one, the first one that should appear. Click the breaks dropdown and select the next page underneath the section breaks category. And this instantly forces your cursor onto a brand new page and cleanly severs the layout database from your main chapters. And now let us make sure that the Word actually recognizes this new section. On the first line of your new page, type out your title. For example, I'll type Appendix A. Then just go ahead and highlight that text. Route back to your top ribbon and click on Home. Under Home, select Heading 1 right here from the Styles category. And by tagging it as a real heading, you lock it into Word's master map. And to finish this loop, scroll back to your table of contents. You actually need to click on the heading here. And after creating our appendix, you could scroll all the way up. For example, create a space right here, like a few times like this. Click on the empty space and then go to References and then click on Table of Contents. Click anywhere inside of it, and as you can see now, our contact is right here. And then after you do this, also don't forget to press Update Table, and then choose Update the entire table and press OK to confirm it. And there you go, now you're done. Your appendix is now flawlessly registered, meaning if you add more pages or shuffle your data attachments later, your ads and page alignments will automatically shift without cracking or breaking. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.